Because of teenagers are exactly at their phase of getting to become adults, their emotions start to change. They feel something different. They feel like sometimes they aren't actually good enough for them, for other people. They always think they're
Mr. Adi Gundul, for the first time,
I'm the new hair, Mister.
please, please give me keyword how to keep our spirit in English. The first, Mr. Adi.
Just one say kata ya. Satu kata.
Frase.
Apa ya? Left like a fish in the river. Fish mengarungi apa? Mengalir apa?
Ya, mengarungi.
Mengalir. Wait. Hello, Mister.
Yeah, okay. Your voice is clear.
Okay. Left like a fish in the river. The river. The water. There is a arus. Wait. Current. So river current from the top in the down. So the fish always swim, not follow the current. Like a human, we cannot just follow your global. We are make the left by myself. I think like that stuff.
Okay, yeah, Miss B.
Apa, Mister?
B.
Keep the phrase to keep our spirit.
Thank you. Good. And then Miss Yusri and.
Saya belum apa-apa. Ya udahlah, thank you, Mister. Miss Intan, time is yours.
Oh ya, Miss Intan.
Whatever you do, just keep close all inside.
Aden?
Whatever you do, just keep close all inside.
Okay, thank you. Alparel.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, your keyword or password, how to keep our spirit in learning English. Ayo, Karen.
Saya nggak tahu.
Hah? No practice, no English.
Never try, never know.
Ya Allah, ngapain sih saat penting ini saat segalanya.
Lupa sudah.
Yeah, where is Mr. Bintang and Mr. Gani and Miss Dian? Doesn't come.
They haven't come yet.
Not yet. Yeah, that's not yet. Okay, next. Such as I said last time in our group WhatsApp. So our title for tonight we would like to discuss about juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency. What is the juvenile delinquency in bahasa?
Kenakalan remaja.
Ya, kenakalan remaja. So here let me show the host disabled attend screen sharing. Bisa. Host disabled attend screen sharing. Yeah. Juvenile delinquency is behavior or attitude that reference to the immoral or crime in our society, in our selfers, or in our human beings. So their behavior from teenager or young generations is based on their mind. Why I said that because of their mind? Because they never think twice how to do that. They never realize that that is true or wrong. So they do that for themselves or for ourselves first. That is juvenile delinquency. And the other word said, juvenile delinquency, because of their knowledge or their moral is not enough. It's not enough. So they never control their self first. They never think their self first is true or not. That is okay. And the factors of juvenile delinquency. Number one is family. Number two, society. Number three is friends. Number four, school. And number five, government. Actually, the biggest factor from this juvenile delinquency is from family. And then the second factor is, the biggest one is the first family. The second is friends and society. And the third, school and government. Why I say so? Because juvenile delinquency always gather with their family, with their friends, and society. So here, that is the opening how to discuss juvenile delinquency. Okay, and then here I want you to give one by one your opinion in this problem. If you think there is problem in this problem solving, if you think this is how to make problem solving letter. Okay, if you got my point, I would like to continue. If you can't, I will explain more. Any question?
Can you explain more? What is the main problem that we will discuss this night?
Then Miss Belinda.
Can you explain more? What is the main problem that we will discuss this night?
Okay, the first, because we have time for about an hour. The first, I want you, what is the, who makes or who creates, or what is the problem till the teenager become juvenile delinquency? That is the keyword at the first. And then the second, how to solve it. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, Farhan, how's life, Farhan? Farhan?
Yeah. Everything okay?
Welcome Mr. Gani, Mr.
Okay.
Bintang. Okay, so untuk malam ini kita akan berdiskusi tentang kenakalan remaja or juvenile delinquency. The first rumusan masalah atau problem formula adalah apa yang mempengaruhi kenakalan remaja ini atau kenapa remaja ini bisa nakal. And then yang kedua adalah pemecahan masalahnya atau problem solvingnya. Oke, for this untuk yang menyebabkan kenakalan remaja ini, apa yang melatar belakangi atau apa yang menyebabkan kenakalan remaja ini. Okay, I'm going to give you one by one to give your opinion, for us. Which one do you want? The first is family, the second is friend, the third is school, the fourth ID and others. Or you can say the first is a friend, the biggest one is a friend, or you can say the biggest one is society, or up to you. I just want to know what is your opinion about this problem. Okay, Miss Yusriani. Yeah, Intan, Miss Intan, or Yusriani. Yeah, I give you the first time to explain this problem.
I still think.
Okay, yeah, Miss Intan.
Maybe in my opinion, the biggest.
In this discuss, there is no maybe, there is no no. Okay. In my opinion.
In my opinion, the biggest one is the factor of the problem who makes someone or teenager become what?
Naughty.
Yeah,
nadi.
It's from
Menjadi nakal kan?
the environment or friends. It's from the environment or friends, because actually in our family, and especially in my family, my parents always educate me to be a good child, how to apa menampilkan sikap apa sih? How to say sikap, how to give a good impression, how to make our daily life become a good person, good always give me suggestion, always give, always, oh my God, menegur, how to say that? If I do the wrong thing, if I say something bad or the other, my parents always ask me to how to repair, how to make my si ucapan, how to say that, ucapan apa ya?
Speaking, saying, my
Yeah,
word.
how to make my say, my word. If I say something, if I talk to one, if I like bergaul, play with my friend, or in my environment, except in my family, always do the good thing. Actually, my parents always educate me. So if we become a naughty or do the bad thing, it will come from our environment or our friends. Our environment make us to do the thing except what our parents command us.
So the biggest problem is from our family.
No,
From whom? In your mind, the biggest problem comes from whom?
oh my God, I said before. Wait, oh my God.
From family, home, society, family, friends, school, government, or others.
From environment, from society.
Or society or environment. Okay,
Environment.
thank you, Miss Intan. And then now, okay, it's time for Miss Belinda. Prepare Mr. T, after Miss Belinda. Time is yours. Yep, be fast.
Okay, so I think for this problem, who that make it happen is by their self. I think
Okay.
in the teenage, we can menyalahkan the other because
Blame.
I think in apa? Menyalahkan apa, Mister? Blame the other because in the teenage, remaja, usia mereka, they can choose which one, the right one or the wrong one. So their society, family or school, they give the good things, so they can choose it by themselves. What will they do, the right one or the wrong one? Because life is choice, so they can't blame everyone or the other. Family did something wrong with them, or their society bring them to the bad way, or the government did something wrong with the regulation or etc. So the biggest the one who be the yang paling salah, apa sih yang paling salah?
The biggest
apa? Tahu lah.
Apa?
Oh, the big factor or the main factor to who make it happen is their self. They choose that way by their self. So nggak ada yang bisa disalahkan. Kayak gitu menurut. That's my opinion.
Okay, so on your opinion is because of themselves first.
Yes.
Or because of the dower. Okay, thank you, Mr. Adi. Time is yours.
Okay.
And then prepare Mr. Gani. Mr. Gani after this.
Okay. Who is the blame for juvenile delinquency? In my opinion, I think my parent, the parent, because parent, the first communication with from the baby in the kids, the parent make the teenager good attitude or bad attitude, I think. So every teenager have from the education from the parent. If the parent can give education, I think the teenager will wrong way. I think I get Mr.
Enough, Mr.
Yeah, continue. Hello, Mr. Adi. You continue your opinion.
Okay, I think enough, Mr. The mainly factor is the parent, I think. Because, okay, I think because the parent make attitude good or bad in the teenager. The parent give education, If the parent can give education, I think teenager wrong way. will wrongly in the teenager. I think.
Finish,
Mister.
finish, Mr. Adi.
I've done, Mister.
Okay, thank you. Please, it's time for Mr. Dani. Mr. Gani.
My opinion about juvenile delinquency, it happens because many factors. Among them, the first I think is treatment the family, is the treatment the parents, but it's very crucial to the guidance of the parents is very crucial to shape the character for the child. The parents need feel the child for the ajaran Pak? Ajaran agama gitu.
Religion.
Islamic
Religion.
ajaran agama.
Ya, mengisi anak ini dengan ajaran agama Pak gitu.
Islamic
knowledge.
Religion.
Islamic knowledge. Bisa ya?
Islamic knowledge. Oke, bisa.
Yeah. I think the parents need to guidance the child, his child to feel the religion knowledge. And the second is environment, because the environment is influence to shape the child. Because if the environment is broken, the environment of the child is broken, the child can follow the environment. I think it's enough. It's my opinion.
Okay, Mr. Bintang, it's time for you. Halo, Mr. Bintang here.
Iya. Ada
Ya,
Mr. Bintang.
Okay, sir, Mr. Bintang, time is yours.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Ayo, try to speak, sir. Try to speak little by little. It's
My
okay.
opinion and the bigger factor for make kenakalan remaja is not bukan semuanya. But saya punya one big opinion. Tidak semua faktor itu.
Okay, it's not all the factors.
It's not all factor, family, friends, society, school, not. But
okay.
Yang paling penting adalah apa yang kita kasih makan ke anak. Selama kita masih makan anak itu halal, maka anak itu akan jadi baik. Banyak contoh orang yang lahir di dalam keluarga yang broken, terus dari masyarakat yang beragamanya jelek, tapi memunculkan anak yang baik. Banyak orang yang dari keluarga yang baik, didikan yang baik, tapi anaknya buruk, hasilnya buruk. Dan ini semua teori keliru. Selama anak itu dikasih makan yang baik, yang halal, terus kita biar dia berenang di mana aja, dia akan menjadi baik.
Oke, sir.
Oke. Cuma itu aja.
Ini, sir. Okay, thank you. The last, Mr. Farrell.
I think juvenile is, well, because of teenagers are exactly at their phase of getting to become adults, their emotions start to change. They feel something different. They feel like sometimes they aren't actually good enough for other people. They always think they're smaller and smaller, while the others always left. This actually triggers bullying and crimes. So what I'm thinking about is that maybe crime actually isn't the real way to solve it, but with the correct education and matter as a fact, attitude management, all should be farewell and good. That is all.
Okay, Mr. Farrell, on your
Yeah.
mind, what is the biggest mind point of this problem?
Well, the phase starts with the change of attitude. When they become teenagers, they actually feel different emotions, which could lead to depression.
Okay. So this is juvenile delinquency comes from their self.
Yes, even though actually education from parents, like not like they always not having a social bonding together. Sometimes they feel a little far. Sometimes they always feel like they're depressed, sad, and not happy, which triggers them to become bad people. That's why I think all should have a good bond so that they can have peace, so that everybody can live happily, and this juvenile thing never exists anymore. That's what I'm
Okay,
thinking.
okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, for every student here, for every members here, start from Intan until Farad. Okay, in the second section, I would like to give some question for you all based. I would like to give some question for you all based on your opinion last time. You got my point?
Yes.
Untuk seluruh peserta di sini akan saya memberikan satu pertanyaan sesuai dengan apa yang Anda katakan tadi. Oke, bersama dengan Mario Teguh. Okay, the first, Ms. Intan said that the biggest problem of this case is because of society or environment. So my question for Ms. Intan, keep your answering first, and then I will finish all giving some question for all of member, and then after this your turn. Okay, my question for Mr. Intan is, if you said the first biggest problem of this case is society or environment, so what is the role plan of our parents? Because such as we know that teenager is for about 15 until 20 years old. 15 sampai 20 years old, around this, sekitaran itu. Okay, that is the question for Mr. Intan. And then Ms. Intan, you can answer after I have finished all about this question. Okay, for Ms. Belinda, your opinion that I catch on my mind, that the biggest problem of this case is because of their self, or because of their student, or their dower, pelaku, karena pelaku. So teenager has had a good knowledge, has had mind, thinking, emotion, and others. So of course they will know which one is the good and which one is the wrong one. So if you said that because of their self or themselves, so what is the role of our school? What is the role of our school? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, enough. Okay, keep your answering first. Okay, for Mr. Ghani, the first is because of family. Mr. Ghani, so such as we know that for the first time, from 2 years old, or 1 year old, we have sent or give our child or our baby to the PAUD. Okay, PAUD, pra-education. So over there, our student, our baby has been starting in getting education or knowledge. So of course that around 15 until 20, they will know which one is right and which one is wrong. Okay, so because don't blame family, because family never teach. Family just give or send their baby to the school, because family has obligation to looking for some earns, pendapatan or money, okay, or livelihood. Okay, for Mr. Bintang, are you sure that by a good food or consumption, dengan konsumsi yang bagus, only a good consumption will make our teenager will be good? Apakah Anda yakin dengan satu makanan yang baik aja akan mempengaruhi kebaikan manusia itu sendiri? Okay, not others. Apakah tidak ada yang lain? Okay, next for Mr. Farel. Mr. Farel, we know that teenager is getting emotional, because they will get more and more age, so they have many imagination, many opinion, many desire, keinginan yang banyak, until they do such as they want. Mereka melakukan seperti yang mereka inginkan. So my question is, how to control it? It's not enough our education. Bagaimana cara mengontrol itu? If it is let it dibiarkan to their self, because as we know, sebagaimana kita ketahui, the teenager has control from our school, from our education, and others. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much for your pay attention, please.
There is question.
Okay, who?
There is a question. Yes, Mr.
Okay, Mr. Ade.
Yeah.
Mister, maaf ini harus tinggalkan meetingnya ini karena bateraiku udah sudah habis. Serius ini 2% nih.
Rel, jangan main game, Rel. Dicas. Masih asik-asiknya, Rel.
Bisa dicas kan?
Tidak, serius, sudah oke.
Dicas, Rel.
Yes.
Ya, dicas.
Nah, kalau bisa tepat waktu.
Udah, Farel duluan yuk, mulai.
Bagaimana, Chat? Ibu?
Farel.
Sir,
looking for chat.
sir,
Jadi, maaf ya.
Okay. Any objection?
I'm sorry,
Pardon,
sir. What is my question? I'm
Oh, Mr. Ade ya?
yeah.
Okay, Mr. Ade. Your opinion, sorry. I lost my note here. Your opinion about parent, yeah?
Yeah.
You blame a parents. So
Yes.
my question, the same question with Mr. Gani.
Okay.
What for our parents send us to the formal school or informal school if we can control our emotion?
Okay.
Okay, yo, Miss Intan, yo, your opinion first, based on my question.
pardon, sir, I forgot the question. Can you tell me?
Power bank-nya masukin ke cas.
Ngantuk banget. Sorry.
Your life must be.
Ayo, Miss Intan.
Mister, maaf ya, harus saya pergi nih. Dia sudah lobet nih.
Hai, biar kami. Kau pakai saja.
Maaf ya, harus saya pergi. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mr. Suju, I'm so sorry. I forgot the question. I forgot the point. Can you tell me one more?
Apa fungsinya orang tua? Apa fungsinya orang tua? Kalau sampean menyalahkan lingkungan. Padahal, whereas the first education comes from our mother or our parents.
Okay, my opinion is the parents,
Intan,
the function.
Intan lihat kamera.
Sorry, aduh, aduh. My opinion is our parents always give us advice, always give us if we do the wrong thing, our parents always remember us. Don't do that. And what the function, what the andil our parents in our life to avoid their children to be naughty. The parents educate us. The parents teach us to avoid to follow the wrong way, avoid to do the wrong thing. And why actually our parents always give us the advice, but the environment still give still be a big problem. How to say that? Because when we actually ourselves, when we go out from home, the child or ourselves lepas dari jangkauan. How to say that?
Avoid from parents.
Yeah, avoid from parents. They think our parents not always with us, and when we play with our parents, when we go to the school or just play with our friends, we do the different thing than what our parents command us. Actually, the majority teenagers do that. They don't care about what the parents command them. They don't care what the parents always give them advice. And they think when they go out from home, they are free. They can do anything what they want. I think just that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Ms. Intan, because of we remember the time also. So directly, okay, I will call Miss B.
Okay. For your question, if I say that the main problem or of definitely apa sih tadi Mister? Kenakalan remaja. Definitely sih kesalahan kenakalan remaja? Ya udah, kenakalan remaja adalah by themselves. So what is the rule of their school? First of all, I will say that school is formal education. That we know in formal education, they have their own vision or destination, or they have their regulation for the students, and they have the teacher, that every teacher has different way to treat their student. So we can apa ya, bergantung. We depend on our school to keep us in the right way, or in the right way. So and the other I want to say about the role of the school. Every student has different capability to accept the education from their teacher. Sorry. So yeah, the school just do for their formal education to give them knowledge in science and etc. But about the attitude, every teacher has different way to give it for their student. I say, yeah, I think like that. Can you got the point of my sentences?
Formal education jelas? Formal education tadi? Lanjutannya apa?
So, formal education just give the student about the science, or yeah. And for the attitude education, yeah, depend on their teacher, how they give the student about attitude, like that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Adi, Mr. Adi.
Mr. Your question is what function for the PAUD? Okay. Yes, Mr.
Function of the school, yeah, since from PAUD.
Okay. I think the first I blame the parent, because the parent have responsible for to make the children for make have good attitude. I think if the parent send the children into the PAUD or the school, I think in school and the PAUD, the children the student will education like just the formal education, I think. So this parent is very important for make the children become good attitude or bad attitude. So and to continue, the parent can pay the school very expensive, I think. But this parent, this is the first teacher, I think. So very important to the parent teach or education to our child, your child, I think. Like this.
Finish.
I think.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Adi. Mr. Adi, thank you. Good speaking. Mulai lancar. Okay, Mr. Gani, time is yours.
The question same question for Mr. Adi.
Yeah.
My opinion, the function of the PAUD
until senior high school.
Until senior high school, senior high school can shape the character of the child from early age, and for the hope, if the child is dewasa become
adult.
Become the adult, the child is the good child. I think it's enough. Okay. Halo.
Yes, sir, Jo. Yes, sir. Gani, lanjutkan.
Yes. Apa tadi? Tahu tadi apa?
Become adult, terus?
Become adult. The hope is if the child become adult, the child can be the good
good people.
Be the good people, be the good child. Okay, I think it's enough.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gani. Mr. Bintang.
Di sini anunya jelek sekali, Pak.
Iya, koneksinya menjadi jelek semua ya.
Oh ya, baru bisa masuk.
Dan suaranya ada gereng gitu.
Nggak nyambung dari tadi baru masuk ini. Mungkin saya pasif sekali saja dulu ya.
Ya, Sir, silakan. Mr. Bintang.
Saya pasif dulu, Mr. Suju.
Oh,
nggak paham yang dimaksud.
Oke, Sir. Masih ada gereng. Iya, gereng-gerengnya masih ada. Oke, Farel nggak ada. Oke, masih ada. Masih ada. Yuk, come on. Miss Intan, Miss B, Mr. Adi, Mr. Gani, Mr. Bintang. Give question for your friends. Kasih pertanyaan ke temannya. If there is no question, okay, I will ask you again, such as last time. Silahkan, maybe any question from brother or sister here. Silahkan kalau ada pertanyaan. Mr. Bintang, maybe do you have some question?
I have question to Mr. Bintang.
Okay,
Yes.
bisa. Silahkan.
Mr. Bintang, if the child is well eaten, but the parents not to introduce the religion knowledge, how the child now teaching his religion?
Gimana, Sir? Ulang, Sir. Putus, Sir.
If the child is well eaten, but the parents not to introduce the religion knowledge, how the child now teaching his religion? Artinya maksudnya kalau hanya makanannya yang baik, tapi sementara orang tuanya tidak mengajarkan tentang nilai agama, bagaimana si anak bisa mengetahui ajaran agamanya? Apakah cukup dengan hanya makan yang baik?
Oke. Silakan, Mr. Bintang. Mr. Bintang back signal mungkin. Ya.
Ya.
Okay. Mr. Gani, I'm going to help Mr. Bintang's answering based on my opinion and based on my religion. The first time that we have to give to our children is sin from the pregnancy until birth, until comes to the world is the first. Indeed, memang we have to keep the halal food, makanan yang halal, or allowed food, makanan yang diizinkan by our God Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Of course, there is we have to do this. Kita harus melakukan ini, whatever the problems. Okay, the second one is after we come to the world and become human being, so many problems that come from outside of our body, datang dari luar badan kita. For example, education, friend, environment, society, and others. So I think that is the answering from your questions. Kalau masalah makanan itu memang wajib, harus sejak dari kandungan sampai lahir, wajib sampai kita jadi manusia.
Berarti yang dimaksud makanan yang baik itu maksud makanan bergizi ya?
Halalan thayyiban, halal dan baik. Oke, kalau halal atau thayyiban jelas pasti itu. Oke, but many things come from outside of our body. Banyak sesuatu yang datang dari luar badan kita. It's mean that external problem, not internal problem. External problem is education, and then education that given by our teacher, and then friend, environment, and others. Okay, that is. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Mr. Adi, Miss Intan, and Mr. Belinda.
Baik, Bintang.
Any questions?
Okay, Mr. I will give you question.
Okay.
About food halalan thayyibah. Okay. Okay, we are Muslim. Okay, if there is one non-Muslim, I think there is one non-Muslim. They are eat like pig, dog, and not halalan thayyibah, but they are sometimes have a good attitude. I think So,
Yeah, yeah.
what, Professor?
Okay. Finish.
Okay.
Last time I have explained there are two factors, internal and external. Okay, internal factors sometimes it's happen more than external factors.
Okay.
Okay, because of we get money from stealing, thief, robber, and then from bullying our friend, and then malak, and then magic and others. Okay, we get money from this. So sometimes, and it will happen because this is karma. So in Islam religion, we believe that it will happen in our body if we always consume forbidden food, forbidden something come from or enter from our body. So it's our brain, our thinking, our heart. It will be abnormal. No, it's not new normal, but abnormal. So sometimes we will do the bad thing. For example, thick leg or kencing while standing up, and then always pinch the beautiful girls, lalu nyubit gadis-gadis cantik and others. This is the little thing. Okay. And then from internal factor, I mean, wiser. There are non-Muslim, but they have a good attitude, they have a good behavior, okay, and others. So there is there are personal management. There is personal management in other religion. What is the personal management? One of them is how to respect each other, how to be the good one, how to help each other, how to make other people smiling, like this one. So that is not, this is good for our society, but it's not good for our God, because our God will see the human being from two aspects, internal and external, zahir batin, luar dalam. So we as a Muslim will have two factors, internal and external. But for the non-Muslim, they will only get the goodness one. There is no reward over there. Tidak ada pahala di sana. Tidak ada pahala di sana, because they only respect each other between human and human. What is that? Anas wal anas, manusia dan manusia, only that. So actually, if we are going to discuss more about juvenile delinquency, is only relationship between human and human. Kalau kita akan membahas lebih jauh tentang kenakalan remaja, sebenarnya hubungan antara manusia dan manusia, tidak ada hubungannya dengan Tuhan. So everyone has chance, mempunyai kesempatan to do this, only Muslim or non-Muslim. Because the connection between us and to our God is not our problem, it's not our business. Karena hubungan kita dengan manusia itu, dengan Tuhan itu bukan hubungan kita lagi kan. Itu sudah urusan pribadi. That is, insyaallah.
Iya Pak Ustadz,
Masya Allah.
Ngaji kita ya.
Okay, very sorry.
Okay. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, next. So, jam berapa, Rek?
Mas 10 lebih, Mister.
Ya Allah. Okay, the conclusion. Okay, yeah, come on, give us a conclusion from Miss. Siapa yang belum bertanya tadi? Miss Belinda. Apa kesimpulannya?
Terima kasih, Mister. So I think the conclusion of our discussion this night about kenakalan remaja,
Juvenile delinquency. There are many factors who made it happen. Not only from the family, from their parents, not only about their school or the government, but if we get a good education from all, and we can choose the right way for ourselves, so we can menghindari, avoid it happen from all the nature in the world. I think that's my conclusion. Yeah. Okay, Miss Belinda, that's a good opinion and a good solution. So of course, I always respect your opinion, but I will give a chance for the other friends to give a solution also. Yeah, Mr. Gani.
For the conclusion about talking the juvenile delinquency. It not came from the relationship among the people to the court, but the problem came from relation,
People to people.
people to people. Maybe that.
Okay, thank you, sir. Stradi.
Okay, I think the conclusion, many factors to blame in the kenakalan remaja,
Juvenile delinquency.
juvenile delinquency. There is many factors, I think, and we are as human are wrong place, I think. So we are always introspection and cannot wrong in cannot menyalahkan, tidak menyalahkan, blame to many pihak
Others.
and the others. We are to introspection by myself.
Ourselves, okay.
Alright. Okay, Miss Intan.
The conclusion from me is every people or everybody always sorry can choose what where they want to go, where their life will. Sorry, someone call me. They can choose everywhere where they want to, and it's depend on themselves. It's depend on how they control to their environment. They keep the control in themselves, and what thing that will make them not or good people depend on themselves. How to divide the society. They want to join in it. I'm so sorry. My mother called me.
Finish, Miss Intan.
Yeah, finish. I'm so sorry, sir. My mother called me.
Okay.
Maybe I have.
Okay, Mr. Bintang.
Conclusion for discussion tonight is one.
Ada telepon, Pak.
First,
Kesimpulannya, sir.
internal,
Ada telepon. Ih.
dan eksternal.
Halo, sir.
Halo, ya.
Ya.
Kesimpulannya itu tadi, ada internal, ada eksternal.
Ya. Finish, sir.
Sorry. Enough.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Before, kok geruduk gitu ya?
Dari tadi, Mister.
Iya,
Saya putus.
pengen nyobain ya.
Kalau saya tidak.
Sama.
Kalau saya bagus.
Tidak.
Jernih.
Saya mulai tadi geruduk gitu, sir.
Sama, Mister.
Sama Mister kayaknya nih mantul tapi mantulnya di dalam. Enggak sih?
Mantulnya di dalam.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know
Okay.
how to say it politely.
Okay, thank you.
Internal.
Okay, my conclusion from this discussion, the first, this is because of many factors. Okay, we will not blame, kita tidak akan blame each other, but we have to realize that kita harus menyadari one by one. The first from parents. Sometimes the children or the child always get not halalan thayyiban. Okay, the second, and then sometimes the parent never pray to our God, to ask for our God how to have a good child, soleh and solehah and others. This is the sometimes the problem from our parents. Sometimes our parents only busy with their job, never thinks how to pray to our God. Okay, the second one is because of friends. So friend is biggest problem too, because teenagers always looking for friends. They will not stay in their house, but they always looking for a friend. So be careful in looking for some friend. Jadi hati-hati dalam mencari teman. And then society also be careful on their society, because many society has a big condition, drug abuse, and then prostitution and others. So this is the society. And then from the school, why juvenile delinquency happens in our country, terjadi di dalam masyarakat kita atau negara kita, because of our school never
Give us.
evaluate their result.
Oh, I see.
Their alumnus, that is a good or not, because in internal problem of the teacher, sometimes the teacher only teach how to get money, how to get salary, they never pray to our God, they never sincerely or ikhlas teaching in the class, and this one. And then from the school also is because of the curriculum always change, curriculum selalu berganti dan berganti, so until make us as a teacher confused how to apply this material, how to make this method, and how to make this syllabus and others. Okay, and then the last from our government must be more strict to overcome, to handle, to menangani this problem. If there are mistakes or there are wrong way in our society, so actually government must be strict to handle this problem. Okay. Thank you. Maybe that's all. No questions because the time is very enough. Overload. Overtime. Tadi mulainya setengah berapa ya? Setengah berapa? Setengah 9 ya. Oke. Jadi untuk tugas besok, untuk tugas besok saya share nanti ya untuk besok, oke?